The Rememory Pack is a storyteller. Reusable, tough, versatile, it can be used on walls, floors, furniture, anywhere. It is made with you in mind. Rememory Packs give any flat surface attitude, grace, patterns with authentic, deep stories, and connection. Made to exact measurements of Wadi Salib floor tiles, a neighborhood in Haifa now over half a century in ruin. Rememory stencils tell a story of a past that is hidden from view. They illuminate this past and make it into a global conversation. A conversation about community memory. They capture the lost patterns of exquisite antique floor tiles from abandoned buildings begging to have their stories told. Use Rememory stencils with any paint, any clean surface. Share a story. Share a memory. Join a movement of design and memory as a call to action. Hi, I'm Yossi, one of the co-founders of Nisnas Industries. The Rememory Stencil Pack is about a story, and this place is the inspiration for that story. Old tiles from these abandoned buildings in the Wadi Salib neighborhood in Haifa form the inspiration and the template for the Rememory Stencil Pack. In order to close the circle, we profit share with youth programs locally so that designs of the past become inspiration in the future. Thank you for your support.